Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I am coming at you with a craft haul video. I have items from Michael's, JoAnn, Tuesday Morning, and Hobby Lobby. So the big four, I guess you may say, brick and mortar stores. So let's start off with JoAnn. So I placed an actual order online. I saw some stamp sets on their website that I thought were really cute. I'm really looking to add additional sentiments to my stash. So I picked up this penny black stamp set. It's 12 clear stamp sets. It's called Sprinkles and Smiles. Some really cute sentiments on here. And just as I start talking, the yard guy is cutting the yard. So sorry about that if you can hear it. So one of them says, "Love, have a wonderful birthday. Have your cake and eat it too. Who's counting? Just a number. Happy birthday. Sparkle, it's your birthday. And it's your special day." So really cute sentiments. I really like these. So the next group is called Birthday Love. And this one is cute also. It says, "Today is the oldest you've ever been and the youngest that you'll ever be again." I think that's awesome. I've seen that before, so I was glad to get this on a stamp set. And it says, "Age is merely the number of years the world has been enjoying you." So super awesome. And this one has, I think, 5 pieces. And then from the Colorado and Company stamp set, Colorado Craft Company, I picked up these called Big and Bold dies. And this one's kind of stuck up there at the top. Pull it down if I can. There it is. So this one is called, let's see. I think it's Sweet Friend Cupcake, I think it's called. And it's this big giant cupcake and with the strawberry on top. And then this one is the birthday cone one. And I thought these would be kind of cute to maybe fussy cut out. So I did just kind of stamp it just to give it a try. So this is pattern paper that I used. And then I just used some white and just kind of went over it with one of my pens. And then the strawberry is paper piece. So I'm going to try this again to make it look a little better. I don't know how to get around the dark dots for the ice cream, but I'm gonna figure out. Maybe I'll do chocolate, and then those will be chocolate sprinkles on it. So anyway, it was super easy to cut this paper out, even though it's kind of like an abstract-y type of drawing, but I think I really like that. So that was from JoAnn. And then next I have some items from Michael's. So from, let's see, Recollections, I picked up these little stickers. They're 5-piece, and they have congrats, happy birthday, congratulations, and hooray. They were on excellent clearance. Man, my lighting kind of sucks today, doesn't it? It's kind of bright in here. And then I picked up this 10-piece kind of holographic doilies, super sweet. And all these things were on clearance. And then I picked up this 62-piece Recollection embellishments, and you have the little bows that are the paper clips and stars, hearts, and some dots. And then this cute little paper pad. It's 24 sheets, single-sided. I mean, it was just like dirt cheap, and it has some cuteness in it. It has some foiling. You can't really tell. There you go, a little bit of it. But, you know, just to make a really quick card. This was the last one on the shelf. It was kind of bent on the end, but I thought I could make some really, look at this ombre. It's really pretty. Really cute cards with these, this paper pad. And so that is, I think it's called Best Day Ever, maybe. I don't know. Just a little paper pad. And with these little stickers, you see one is missing here. So you may have seen my Dollar Tree card that I made a couple of videos ago. And so I put that sticker on the bottom. I thought it went really well. What do you guys think? Really inexpensive card, but super cute. And now I have a little sentiment. So that was from Michael's. And then from Tuesday morning, I think this would probably be my last trip to Tuesday morning for definitely a while, because their craft section has diminished so much. And I only picked up these items because they were marked down. And this is the do-it-yourself party. It's small honeycomb pads, 2 each of 3 colors. So they're kind of like ombre turquoise colors. And it looks like you can make, I'm not sure, I'm thinking that you can make I don't know, rosettes with them, but I'm gonna figure it out something. And they have on here like rosettes, and then they have like the little, I think that's what that, the little balloon or something. So I'm gonna try. And then from the Sunny Days collection for Maggie Holmes, I picked up this ephemera pack. It has 32 die cuts, and it's just letters and numbers, which will be cute on a little card, make it a little funky. I really like that. I like that 3. I don't know anybody's turning 3. Or maybe 32 or 35 or 53 or something like that. So anyway, that's cute. And then I picked up this fun Stamper Journey stamp set. I've seen this stamp set before, and I always just kind of looked at it and thought it was cute. Well, this was on clearance. I went ahead and got it, and it looks like this. It's red rubber, which, always stamps usually pretty well. I said always stamps usually. Usually stamps pretty well. So that's from Stamper Journey. And then from Hobby Lobby, I picked up some items. I picked up these brads. I just don't have enough of these. The ones I had, they were not very sturdy, and they broke when I tried to use them. So I got these. And then I picked up from the Petites, the Paper Studio, these little cute rosettes. I thought these were so cute, 12-piece. And then this smaller number of 6, but larger. Love that gold stripe. And then I picked up, don't know why, but these super cute cards and envelopes, 12-pack. It's a 2.5 by 3.5. And then this one, now my air is coming on, so this is a very noisy video, I think. So this one is 3.125 times 3.125. So I just was in love with the size of these, so I made some little envelopes, some cards. So let me show it to you. So what I did was, I have some, I wanted to make some memory decks cards. So this was a memory decks that I made a while back. So I thought I'd make a little card that whenever I send this out, I'll send this little card with it. So isn't that cute? And this is from Altenew. I think this is so cute. And then on the envelope, I put the half of the bee, folded him in half, and put it on here. And so the little card, it's ready for me to write the little sentiment. And then I made another one. This one, I don't know, I used one of the Rosie dies, Rosie Studio dies, I think. And so here's the memory decks, and then here's the little card. And once again, I cut the house in half, and then I use a sticker. I think this is from Jen Hadfield. And I don't know, this is not my favorite, but I think it's cute. And then next up is one with Maggie Holmes. I think it's this Chasing Dreams ephemera. Has that cute little saying, have courage and be kind. And then here's the little card. Isn't that bird cute? Super cute. And then I used a cat scrappiness embossed edge die just to cut that out, because I wanted more of this paper to show to match the little memory deck. So that's that one. And oh, this one is super cute. This one's another Maggie Holmes Willow Lane, I think this comes from. And then this paper is just a little piece I had left. It's intergriffin paper, and that's cute. And then I used one of the little ephemera, and then I used some of the dots on it. I think that was super cute. That's almost my favorite. And then here's this one. This is Garden Party, and I think this is maybe Chasing Dreams. I'm not sure. And then just some polka dot paper I had in my stash. And then look at the little card with that little insect. I don't know what it is. Super cute. And then last but not least, this is my favorite. This is a Spellbinders die cut. It's a succulent garden, and so I popped it up on some really textured paper I had, and then this hello just came from one of my books from my journal, not my journal, but my planner stuff, and then I put this little bit of twine around it. Oh my goodness, adorable. And then look at the card, super cute. I am in love with this. So what do you guys think? Which one is your favorite? They're all so cute, I think. Of course, I'm partial because I made them. But which one do you like? There they all are. One more. There we go. So thanks for watching, guys. If you are new to my channel, welcome. And if you have been along for the ride for a while, keep on riding. Let's keep on going. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you soon. Thank you.